This is the grace of God. Jesus said, you will know the truth, and the truth will make you free. He didn't say, nah, 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 too bad for you, you got bad karma. No. Know the truth, and the truth will make you free. Are there any thoughts, words, actions that you have sown in the past where you'd rather not reap the results from those past behaviors? Yeah, I hear you. Here's the good news. We can transcend what we've sown in the past. We don't have to reap exactly what we've sown in the past. Our spiritual efforts today can actually help us transcend what we have sown in the past. Jesus said, go into your inner chamber and shut the door and pray to your Heavenly Father who's in secret. When you and I take time through prayer, through tuning in to the Spirit within us, guess what happens? The saints and sages tell us that some of that old karma, that old stuff that we've sown, gets burned up. Those seeds of past karma, those seeds of past negative results get burned up. We don't have to experience what we have sown in the past. And some of you may be wondering, well, I'm praying, I'm meditating. Why is this thing happening in my life? Why isn't it burned up? Well, it takes time, you know. It takes time. Some of these things, again, let's not judge ourselves. Let's not look at it and go, well, I must have done something bad in the past, or this stuff doesn't work. I'm thinking positive attitudes and I'm praying, and why is this in my life? Oh, it's there for a reason. It's there. It's for our soul's growth. It's for our soul's growth. Oh, goody, Justin, it's for our soul's growth. I don't want that in my life. But you see, that's why it's great for our spiritual practice. You see, every time something happens in the outer world and we have a reaction to it, that's an opportunity for us to feel those feelings. Those feelings are not a result of what happens. They're probably a result of something similar that happened in the past. And we're just resisting things now because we don't like them. They're not the way we want them to be. We like certain things, we dislike other things, we want certain things to happen. So the key to grow is to acknowledge the feelings that we have and relax around them. Don't resist what's happening. Don't resist what you're feeling. Relax. Let it flow through you. Be non-resistant. And that's how you grow through your karma. That's how you get closer to freeing up the energy inside of you so that you can be joyful and loving and living in the excitement of God all the time. That's what we're talking about. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.